Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and coffee gadgets. And today I want to share a video with you using my new coffee tumbler, but this isn't any regular tumbler. This is a special tumbler that I think you guys might like. So yeah, let's get ready and check it out. Okay friends, it's cafecito time, and for today's cafecito time I have this special tumbler that I got during the holidays. I bought it for myself, and I bought it for my brother as a gift. He is recently retired and decided he wants to do the van life, so he is going to be traveling in his van once it's safe to do so. And I thought he needs an easy way to make coffee for himself. So I found this tumbler, and it's called the Presse or Presse tumbler by Bobble. And it's a press style brewer and travel tumbler in one. That's the name of it. So basically it has a micro filter, 3-wall insulation, and it's no waste. So you get to brew your coffee in this tumbler, and you also get to drink it from your tumbler, and it keeps it warm. So let's check it out. So this is what it has. Put this here. Instructions. It comes, I believe, in 3 different colors, and I like this little blue color. So basically it has a lid, like a silicone lid, that you can drink out of. See, and this will close it up, seal it. It has this inner chamber. Let's see, let me see the parts here, what they're called. Inner press. So this is the inner press. Ooh. Voila. Okay, so here's the inner press. It's like a tube, and it has a micro filter at the bottom. And it has this like rubber seal. So it comes with that. A silicone gasket is this here. And a lid, which I showed you, and the outer tumbler. So this is insulated as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our coffee in our tumbler, press it kind of like French press style, and then drink right out of it. And I thought this would actually be cool for traveling. I would love to buy a little mini Nespresso for travel, but I think this is another cool way where it's very small, very compact. All you would need is coffee, which you can easily carry small packs of coffee, and hot water. So today I'm going to make coffee and test it out and show you guys and see if it's any good. So that it comes with little instructions, and it even comes with a couple little recipes. But the instructions basically say you're going to brew the coffee. I've already cleaned and washed everything. We're going to add approximately 4 tablespoons freshly ground coffee to the outer tumbler. So this is the outer tumbler. Medium coarse grind is optimal. So my coffee's pre-ground for like drip type coffee, so we'll see. So let's put the coffee in there. Coffee is in there. Okay. Next, it says we're going to pour 10 to 13 ounces of hot water at approximately 205 Fahrenheit. I don't have a thermometer, and I should buy one, but I already have my water preheated in my kettle, and I have about 10-11 ounces of water in here. So I'm going to pour the water in there to cover the grounds, and it does have a line somewhere in here for max fill. So once you cover, pour the water to the highest fill line. Use the fill line as a flavored guide. Okay, so depending how you like it, you could choose if you want it stronger, not as strong. There is some lines in here to guide you. And I pre-measured it. That's how come I know how many ounces of water I have. Okay, so next step is allow coffee to brew for 3 minutes. So we're going to wait 3 minutes. I have seen other things for like making coffee on the go, like the AeroPress, which I actually have one and I need to use it and make a review. But I think what's something with the AeroPress is you still need a cup separately. So you would put it over a cup to make the coffee, or even some of the pour overs, they have like the single little cones to make the coffee, and you would still need a cup to make the coffee over it. So I think this is great because you have the press and the cup in one. So less things to carry around, less things to worry about. It's really only 1, 2, 3 components. And this could easily fit in a backpack, in a purse. So I was very excited at the idea of it. Okay, so about 1 more minute. I'm going to start to put this in here. So basically, once you add your coffee, add your water, we're going to press. So it says, put lid on inner press. Okay, so we're going to put the lid here. So it says to do it with the lid. And it's always good to read instructions because you think you know how to do things, but then you don't do them the way you're supposed to and you make a mess. So always read your instructions. Okay, so we have the lid. Close drinking tab. Okay, the tab is closed. Place inner press into the top of the outer tumbler. Okay, so it's there. Press down slowly until fully nested. So we're going to press down. It's about 3 minutes, so we're going to press down slowly. And you'll start to feel a little pressure. It says finer grinds will increase pressure required to push down. Do not apply force, so don't do it too forceful. Just kind of, gently. It says if inner press stops, pull it up slightly and then press and twist. So I'm going to continue pressing until it is fully, okay. So you'll press it all the way down until your lid basically goes all the way down and seals. Okay. And the third step, it says go. Grinds are below the filter, so they won't mix or continue brewing. Coffee will stay really hot. Let cool to drinking temperature before. To continue immediately after brewing, pour in. To consume it immediately after brewing, pour it in a mug. So you could either drink it from here, and the outside is not hot because it's insulated, or you could pour it in a cup. Okay, I am going to pour a little bit in a cup just to see how the coffee came out. Okay, let's see. That was actually pretty easy. So the true test is going to be how does it taste? Oh, okay. I don't see any coffee grinds in there, which is good. It's hot. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. And if I want, I could drink it directly from here. Actually, it's really hot, so you definitely have to wait a little bit to drink it. So yeah, if you want to drink it directly, use it in a cup. If you want to drink it from the actual tumbler, you have to wait. But I'm curious to see what it looks like inside. So, okay. Okay, so once you push it down, the water comes up, filtered through the coffee, and your coffee is brewed. I'll show you guys right there. Can you see? So coffee is in there. This is actually pretty cool. It's not going to make a ton of coffee. It's made for personal use. 10 to 13 ounces of coffee, which is about your average cup of coffee. I like it. I think it's an actually pretty cool idea. And then you just disassemble it, get rid of the coffee grinds, wash it, and you're ready to go. Oh, this is very cool. I believe it was $24.99, which is not bad because some of the tumblers that are insulated themselves cost as much or more. So having a tumbler that actually brews your coffee as well is actually a pretty good deal. So if you're interested, I will leave the link down below so you guys could see it. Purchase it if you like. I don't get anything from anyone purchasing via a link. I don't have affiliates or anything. So it's just me sharing. So now I'm going to try it from here. This is actually it's good. So, you use your favorite coffee of choice. I really like this. I think this would also be good to use if you're working somewhere, and especially with, that thing going on. You might not want to share a coffee machine with someone. I know if I was working in the office currently, I probably would be very skeptical of sharing a coffee machine right now. So I would definitely want to just brew my own coffee at my office, in my cubicle, at my desk, if I could. Or if you're traveling, I know sometimes some places don't always have coffee shops in the hotels or nearby, and definitely don't like making coffee in the hotels that have those like little cheap coffee makers. It's just not really good coffee for me. So I think having this option is definitely a very good idea. I really like it. It looks sleek. It's easy to hold, easy to carry, probably travels well. Yeah, it's a thumbs up from me. So that's it. This is my little review of the Presse by Bobble tumbler press brewer. The official name, Presse by Bobble, the press style brewer and tumbler in one. So it's a brewer and tumbler in one. Very cool. It's always good to have different options to make your coffee, especially sometimes you just want to make a quick cup. This is very cool. I like it. I recommend it. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Helps our channel grow. Hit the notification button and subscribe, and then hit the notification button so you know when our videos are being released, currently Wednesdays and Sundays. And yeah, let me know if you guys have ever tried any of these press and brew type gadgets. I think there's so many out there that I do want to try more of them because, like I said, I'm just a girl who loves her coffee. And as much as I love the Nespresso and other methods of brewing, I think it's fun to try different products, different coffees. And that's what our channel is all about. It's just sharing the love of coffee with you guys. So that's all I have for you guys. I'm going to enjoy my little press and brew coffee, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.